Go to myEntergy.com and choose Login. Fill in your user ID and password on the Login pop-up screen and click on Login. On the home page, select Start, Stop, or Move Service from the top menu bar. Scroll down slightly and select the Stop Service option in the middle of the page. You'll need to verify your identity by selecting an option in the drop-down box and filling in the appropriate information and letting us know you are not a robot. When you are done, click Continue. Next, you'll need to fill in some personal information that is on the account for which you wish to stop service, such as your first and last name and contact information. Then click Save and Continue. You may have more than one type of service for this location, so you'll need to let us know which service you wish to stop. After you make your selection, click on Save and Continue. Now it's time to tell us when you would like service to stop. Fill in the date in the box provided, or click on the calendar icon and select the date. Then click on Select Date and Continue. Next, please let us know who we should contact about the service request and provide us a little information about the property, such as whether or not an aggressive dog is at this location or if the meter is behind a locked gate on the property. Click Save and Continue. Now let us know where you would like your final bill sent and click on Continue. Next, please confirm the address by selecting the radio button next to the address displayed. Then click on Continue with this address. If the address displayed is not correct, you can change it by selecting Enter a different address underneath the red button. Now it's time to review your request to be sure all of the information is correct by using the scroll bar on the right side of the page. Don't forget to answer the question about whether or not you need to start service at a new location before you click on Submit Request. Finally, you'll see a summary of your stop service order request. Simply scroll to the button and click on Done, and you're finished.